Every CVES kit comes with a core communication card. The core communication card gets attached to the bottom of the CVES foldout here. The core communication card can be used with one icon, two icons, three icons, etc. as a child learns to build language. So a child's going to use the core communication card by selecting icons from the binder inserts or the core vocabulary foldout, or both, a combination of both, to communicate a message. For example, a child may use just an icon from the binder inserts, milk, put it on the communication card, and give the communication card to a communication partner. The child may use icons only from the CVES foldout. Maybe they say the word drink. Drink by itself. If the child's working at the two-word level, they may put two-word combinations together on the core communication card. Using that same example of milk, the child may pull down the word milk or drink and milk. Drink milk. Or the child may use only icons from the core vocabulary foldout and put those together. Child may say drink that. Drink that. An individual can continue to put words together and increase their sentence length on the communication card. So if an individual is working at the three-word level, they may use three icons from the core vocabulary foldout and binder inserts. Drink, milk, now. Drink milk now. Or maybe at the four-word level, they extend their utterance to I drink milk now. So the individual user can initiate using the core communication card, but a communication partner like myself can also initiate using CVES on the communication card. I may speak directly to the child or individual using the system using their pictures, providing some aided language input on the communication card. So I may tell a child or individual, you can drink milk. You can drink milk, and I can initiate the interaction with the user.